important. If you shave your private parts, watch the video before you do it. A fashion different from the rest or advance women's sexual revolution? Hair removal of pubic hair has been treated as a necessity, an area of the body, genital, best seen without a hair. Is it true? Every time an innovation is born, there are voices that support it, other than revile. However, the reality is that for a couple of years ago, the total removal of pubic and anal area is like a kind of obligation. You start out with a guy and as if it were to increase their libido, you need to know if you like shaved or not. A girl trying to please his new conquest. But what happens when you're not so agree with the idea? Shaving hair has become a sexy fashion for many men and women. Did you know that in an effort to look sexy in privacy you can harm your health? If you shave your intimate area, you could become a victim of human papillomavirus. Wounds occurring in the hair follicle to the intimate area depilated become a door easily accessible to the virus, requiring minimal injury to infect bacteria and create colonies. Pubic hair removal can cause vaginal infections and herpes. It is responsible for preventing bacteria from entering the genital area. It also keeps the female genitals with the ideal temperature. Pubic hair is a natural cushion for shock and irritation and prevents harmful substances can enter the intimate area. Ideally, make a cut in the area or a lateral removal, but not the total extraction, so you avoid ingrown hairs and other scars. We have for you a list of reasons why, before shaving the whole body, think twice. 1. Irritation of the area. Either with a knife or with any chemicals such as wax. If you suffer from sensitive skin you may have irritation because the skin will be in direct contact with jeans or lace underwear, better go to a specialist. 2. Sexually transmitted diseases. According to the study, since the boom of epilation, infections such as human papillomavirus have increased. One of the functions of pubic hair is stay away and protect from infection. 3. It is more comfortable. Oddly enough, experts say it is one of the ways to absorb shock, irritations and even skin friction with other people. 4. Psoriasis or eczema. When you have conditions like diabetes or skin disorders such as psoriasis, you should consult with your doctor, because if you do not choose the right method could aggravate your condition, frostbite, even a deadly infection. 5. In fact it is unhygienic. There are versions that indicate that leave the hair with the hair, it can have negative consequences, or talking odor of a dirty person. On the contrary, while you maintain a good cleaning, you not have any problems of hygiene. 6. Nest infections. Suppose you've shaved wrong or you have suffered irritation and your partner does not have hair, there is a risk, a breeding ground, as if any of us has an infection communicate it to the other, because none has protection. 7. It is more tasty. It depends on your pleasure. All that is possible is that you feel more comfortable without being hairy and be more uninhibited with your guy or that pleases him more than to see you like, but it depends on both. 8. Pheromones. The hair has the function of keeping the specific odor of the genital area of each person, so if I take away completely, pheromones goodbye when someone you like, you go faster. Pheromones are the essence of your sex. 9. Temperature. Pubic hair also allows your genital area is maintained at a good temperature, is the warmth that has the vulva and labia, which in turn creates a barrier that keeps the skin free from infections.